Happy Saturday, you guys. We are doing a beach day today, so I wanted to take you guys along and just do like a whole beachy vlog. We are at Anna Maria Island. We just got here. It did take about an hour and 40 minutes because of traffic. It just takes a long time once you, even to go 20 miles, I think it took us like 45 minutes. Yeah, we're gonna get out right now. We went to Publix, we got some pub subs, some snacks. We are fully prepared and ready. I am so excited because we have not had an actual beach day in so long. I cannot even remember the last time we went to the beach, just because with Gio, it was harder. He was so small, and it was the sand eating, the not being able to really get in the water, just a whole lot, him not being able to walk. So it was a lot harder to go, but now he is at the perfect age, I feel like, to have a lot of fun. Cannot wait to have an entire beach day. It's gonna be so much fun. We got perfect front row parking right in front of this little restaurant here. The beach is literally right there.
5,000 hours.
5,000 hours?
Yeah.
I know, I'm gonna get you some in just a second.
When we first moved to Florida and started going to the beach with the kids, we were so bad at the whole thing. I mean, you could tell it was our first few times going to the beach, but now I feel like we have a really good system. We have the beach wagon, we have everything we need. We have it down now, and we're a lot better at it than we were. Come on! Huh?
I can't hold him anymore.
Oh, put him down. It's okay.
It's okay. What if they sand that so long?
Okay.
Shovel, I want to help.
Wanna help, Sissy? This also has to be like the best umbrella that we found for the beach, because you can fill it up with sand and it stays put. And it's very easy to put into the sand.
There you go.
Good job.
2 more big scoops. Come on.
Ooh, it's a bit windy. That's okay. build her a pool?
Yeah.
Okay, here, put her right there. Sissy's getting water to fill it up with. This will be her pool. It's so windy today, so I'm really hoping, I don't know how this vlog is gonna do once I start editing for you guys to be able to hear anything, but I'm gonna try to figure something out. It's such a beautiful day. It's so nice and sunny, but the wind is just so much. I don't even know what to do about that. Perfect. Luca, look. Luca, look, she has a pool. Here. Yeah. Oh. It's okay. It's yucky now. We'll give it to the birdies.
Get a new one.
We'll give it to the birdies. Here, get another one.
Look at the bird. Right into it.
Mommy wants to show you what's in the bucket.
What is it? What do you have? A shell? Do you have a seashell?
But this is how a sand dollar.
Oh. Here.
This one too. It's another piece of a sand dollar. Oh my god, they're everywhere. Look, in right here. Oh my god, in right here. Dang. Here you go. Go show Dada. Go show him. Oh, I kind of failed on my hole.
Why?
I want to do it, but I also am kind of tired of just digging all day.
Oh, I'm sinking.
Kind of like holes. Digging. Yeah, see, it's quicksand. It's called
sinking.
It's called quicksand because it's sand and you sink really quick. Told you.
Put it in. Hit it. Good job. Okay, ready? Where do you want it? Right here? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready? That one. Okay. Like this. Oh no! I broke it. Let's try it again. Okay. There we go. Okay. What'd you do? We're done. Ready to go? Ready to go? No. You want to stay here forever? Yeah? We gotta go home. Did you have fun?
When it's nighttime, we don't know.
Yeah, it is almost nighttime. The sun's gonna go down.
What?
And it's gonna get cold. Look at those birds. They're trying to get your brother. Look at them. So nice, much needed. We were here for about 3 hours, and we got here.
That's it?
Yeah, I know.
It hasn't even been that long.
We got got here later in the afternoon, so a lot of people started clearing out, and now I feel like there's half the amount of people here. So it's not a lot of people. It's a lot of fun, and now we're ready to go. I actually never even took off my shorts and t-shirt. The wind is like chilly. It's really nice out. I got hot, but not enough to like sit in a bikini.
Mommy, you're in the sand.
I know I was. We were building. That was fun. I can't. It's been a long time since I really sat and just got in the sand and just let myself get sandy and build castles. But that was fun, huh? No, it wasn't fun.
No,
You're fibbing.
you're not done. Daddy,
I'm not a good sandcastle builder.
Daddy is better.
What? No, I don't think so. I think I was the best. Did you see my turtle? Bye. Can you say thank you for watching this video?
Then you're watching this poopy video. You're watching this beep video.
Okay, say it the right way. Ready, go.
Then we're watching this video. I hope you have a bad day. Bye.
Stop.